Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today is day 4 of Breathe With Me challenge. So today we are going to focus on improving the quality of the abdominal breathing further, but we will also be adding a mindfulness practice to enhance. We'll also be including a mindfulness practice to enhance the benefits. And I give you the option today to either sit or lie down. It's completely up to you. So let's settle in. Roll back those shoulders, the ones that are sitting, the ones that are lying down on the mat or on the bed. Make sure your palms are facing upwards. Roll back those shoulders, sit tall. Place your palms in Chin Mudra on your knees. Let's take a deep breath in and out. Big inhale and out. Great job. So make sure that when you are breathing that your lips are sealed, right? So let's place our right hand on our abdomen. We're going to inhale, rise your belly out. Exhale, contract it all the way in. Inhale, exhale, big inhale, and exhale. Great job. So now that you know and you remember the technique, now we're going to include the numbers, the counting, right? So let's do it very slowly. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Inhale even slower. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Last one, big inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Great job. Now let's relax and breathe normally. Great job. So let's breathe normally, a comfortable breath, as I said, because we shouldn't force ourselves, or especially our lungs, to be gentle. Good. Now we are going to include the mindfulness practice. So this is basically, you will be inhaling and exhaling with the tummy out and tummy in, but we won't be doing the counting, but instead we're going to focus on positivity coming into your body with the inhale, and negativity, illnesses, worries, whatever you want to focus on is leaving you with that exhale. Got it? It can be tricky, but just push through. We can do it, and with practice you can get better at this. Make sure your palm is on your stomach, so that up and down of your tummy will also naturally happen. Ready? Inhale, positive energy coming in. Exhale, negative energy going out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, positive energy coming in. Exhale, negative energy going out. Inhale. Exhale. One big inhale, visualize all the positivity, all the goodness coming into you. And exhale while releasing all the tension. Good job. So let's relax our breath, come into that comfortable breath. Good. One big inhale and exhale. Great job. Place that hand back on the mat or on your knee, Chin Mudra. Make sure your posture is straight. Great. So feel that calmness in your breath, calmness in your mind. Good. I'm going to say a few phrases. You are welcome to join me. Say it within you. So those of you who are lying down, you can join us in a seated position. I am calm. I am patient. I am forgiving. I am strong. I am healthy. I am happy. Feel those sinking into your mind. Great job. Let's tilt our head towards the mat, so chin towards the chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Great job. Congratulations on completing day 4 of Breathe With Me. You did really good, and let me just state the obvious, including that mindfulness while breathing, it can be challenging. So if you felt it was, it actually is. So do not worry, be kind to yourself. With practice, you can master it. Including the mindfulness in this breathing practice is of twofold. One is that it gives you a variety of breathing techniques to do daily. Otherwise, you'll get bored doing the same thing. Number 2 is that it will help you in progressing with meditation. So that means your mind will be more focused, you will be having less stress. Now let me move on in inviting you to do those 2 tasks. One is that you press that like button if you found any value in this video, and subscribe if you already have not, and share it with your friends and family. Especially, this is really important during this coronavirus situation where anxieties are quite high, so they also can benefit from this video. Number 2 is I have mentioned a quote for the day in the description below, so have a read and reflect on it and comment below your thoughts. The reason for including this quote for the day is that your mind is now open and calm, so nourishing your mind when you are in that level is really important and beneficial. So thank you again for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a blessed day.